The wait is over. The 2025 GMC Camper Van is here, combining cutting-edge innovation, unmatched comfort, and rugged performance. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 GMC Camper Van flaunts a sleek and aerodynamic design. It's fitted with adaptive LED headlights, an updated grille, and 18-inch alloy wheels for a striking presence on the road. A game-changer for off-grid living is the integrated solar panel system, powering your gadgets wherever your journey takes you. And with a variety of new color options, including desert sand and midnight blue, you'll make a statement no matter where you park. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a spacious, modern interior designed for versatility. The modular layout includes a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, mini fridge, and sink. The dining area easily transforms into a queen-size bed, making it perfect for a cozy night under the stars. Added luxuries include a 42-inch smart TV, a state-of-the-art sound system, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. On the performance front, the camper van is powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, producing 310 horsepower, with an optional hybrid model offering up to 450 miles on a single charge. For drivers, the new 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist ensure safety and ease on any terrain. All of this comes at a starting price of $75,000, with the fully loaded version going up to $95,000. It's ideal for families, solo travelers, or digital nomads seeking freedom on the open road. With its smart blend of functionality, comfort, and technology, the 2025 GMC Camper Van is your passport to adventure. So, what's your take on the 2025 GMC Camper Van? Could this be your next travel companion? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting reviews. Until next time, happy travels.